guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make money doing coin arbitrage. I'll be showing you step by step what you can do, and also I'll show you a particular site in which you can get to see a particular arbitrage opportunity. You can search for yourself and choose the one you like. But before I go on, I would like to say that information provided in this video should not be taken as a legal or financial advice. Please do your own research and do what is right, because I'll be responsible for my profit and loss, and you should also take responsibility for your profit and loss. So I will be showing you how you can make money on crypto arbitrage. In some of my videos, I've explained what arbitrage is, and if you have not watched it, you can go back. I'm going to leave a link to this to my old videos so that you'll be able to watch what arbitrage is and how you can make money from it. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can buy coin from a particular exchange and sell on another exchange. I would show you a site, and the name of the site is called Koinknight, where you'll be able to search for a particular coin that, or you'll be able to see arbitrage opportunity on a particular coin. And I'm going to show you how you can do intra arbitrage, where you'll be able to buy and sell in a particular exchange. And I'll also show you how you can do direct arbitrage, where you'll be able to buy from an exchange and sell in another exchange. So now the site that I want to show you guys is called Coinknight, and this Coinknight would populate different crypto arbitrage opportunities for you, and you would be able to take advantage of it. The disadvantage of this kind of arbitrage is that you will need to get a number of exchanges, because they have some exchanges. I know not all of you will be having all the exchanges they have here, so it will be advisable for you to open at least 5 exchanges. You should have more than 5 exchanges so that you'll be able to make use of the arbitrage opportunity. You'll be able to make use of the arbitrage opportunity that is shown on that particular exchange. Now, when you come to this site, of course, you will need to register with your email, and then it is a site where you will need to subscribe. If you register for the first time, they're going to give you some time off so that you'll be able to check their site and see arbitrage opportunities that you can get hold of. And then after your subscription expires, you will need to subscribe. They have different plans that you can subscribe to. Now, when you come to this site, what you're going to see is this page that we are on right now. So we have the direct arbitrage, you have triangular arbitrage, you have loop arbitrage, you have intra-exchange and intra-loop. But I would advise you guys to go for this direct arbitrage or intra-exchange arbitrage. The reason is that if you go for triangular or loop or intra-loop, it's going to take more time. You will need to engage more than one exchange or more than 2 exchanges. So, but in the case of this direct arbitrage, you will only need 2 exchanges, and in the case of this intra-exchange arbitrage, you will only need 1 exchange. Now, for example, as you can see on your screen right now, here it's showing you that there is an arbitrage opportunity on Binance and sex.io, that you are to buy this coin WABI on Binance and then sell it on sex, and you are going to make 100, and it changes. That one shows that you are going to make 126, but now as you can see, that it's been refreshed. For example, it says that last refresh around 9:50 p.m. So you can another arbitrage opportunity is up now. Can you see that it changes? So one thing you need to know about arbitrage opportunities is that you would not get the one that will last forever. You need to work with time and you need to be fast. But on this koinknight, what happens is that they have set everything out so that it will be easier for you to pick a particular coin, and then you will know the minute it's going to take. For example, let's check this one out right now. Let's check this one out. This one says that you need to buy Fox on MXC. You buy Fox on MXC at this rate, at zero you buy Fox at 0.1468 USDT. So you buy it at that rate. Then this is a buy price 5,366, and then you are going to also see your how much you'll be charged if you are buying that particular coin, and you are going to see your final buy price, and then you will send it to another exchange. This is another coin entirely. You send it to another exchange whereby you will see the sell price, you will see the charges, you will see the network you are using to transfer, and you will see the trading charges, and then the final sell price. And here you have what you are going to make and how many minutes is going to take you, to do this arbitrage. Here it says that pro transfer time is around 3.50 minutes. That's 3 minutes 50 seconds. And then the block confirmation, they are going to see how many confirmation is going to take, and time per confirmation you are going to see. So the work that you are supposed to do, this site is going to take care of it for you. So it is a good site that I will recommend that you can subscribe to. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to subscribe and also get hold of the arbitrage opportunity that they have. So the same goes for all other ones. Now you might be saying that, oh, I don't have up to $4,973 to buy a particular coin for arbitrage and then make $112. But what can you do? So what you need to do is that if you don't have that amount, you need to set the amount that you have. For example, if I say, okay, I want to use $100 now, I'll enter $100 here, then I'll click go. Then it's going to show me arbitrage opportunity that I can take hold of. For example, here it says that I should buy XEM on Binance. It's going to cost me, the total cost is going to be $100. You see it here. This is a buy price, this is charges, the final buy price is 100. Then I'm going to take you to XCMO, and there you can see that I'm going to sell it for $105. So that means that I'm making a gain of $5 on that arbitrage opportunity. So they are going to see the time that is going to take. Everything will be shown to you before you go for that arbitrage opportunity. So here you'll be able to enter the amount you can use to invest, and that is a new thing on this side, because before they don't have this, they don't have this enter the amount to be invested. They don't have it, but they are now updated whereby you can input the amount you have, you can use, and then you'll be shown the arbitrage opportunity that they have. Then one thing is that going for an arbitrage or a particular arbitrage, you need to consider the volume. Volume is very, very important. And why volume is important is that if, for example, you are buying this coin from Binance and then you are sending it to BTC, BTC might not be having so much market for you to sell that particular coin. So what happens is that if you buy it and you don't consider the volume in the other market, then you will stay on that market waiting for someone to come and buy that coin from you, and you may not even make gain from it. So volume is very, very important. Now let me just clear this off, and let's go for volume if they have. Okay, Now, this is the arbitrage opportunity that's available right now that has volume. And here you'll be able to buy YF high from Binance and then sell it on Coinbase Pro. This is a sure arbitrage opportunity that would not go wrong. It's a sure arbitrage opportunity that will not go wrong. Now, the same thing goes for intra-exchange. Like I said, you need to go for either direct or intra-exchange. Inter-exchange means that you are buying on a particular site and you are selling on that particular site, but in another market. Take for example, what you are seeing here now, it's showing you red. It shows that there is no arbitrage opportunity. But once you have green, that one is telling you that yes, there is an arbitrage opportunity. So now look at this. It says that you should buy Shiba. You are going to buy Shiba with USDT. This is it. You're going to buy Shiba with USDT at this price, 6,470. That is, let's assume that it is green. It is showing us green here. Let's assume there's an arbitrage opportunity. So this is what you're going to do. You buy SHIB at this price, and then you buy it with USDT, and then you sell that SHIB. Also, you sell that SHIB. Okay, since there's no arbitrage opportunity, this one will not be clear. Now let me show you another one here on let me show you. Okay, now on Kraken, I'm just giving you an example of what happened. So you buy in ETH market with this amount. You buy link with this amount, then you sell that link you bought at BTC market, that same amount. Then you're going to see what you're going to make. So like I said, arbitrage opportunity doesn't last forever, most especially this intra-exchange. It comes and goes. So you need to come and watch out for the opportunity. For example, now look at this now. There is an arbitrage opportunity that will give you $66. And this is a sure arbitrage opportunity because you are going to buy RAD in Coinbase Pro, and then you buy it with your USDT, and then you sell it for BTC. So that is the way it goes. So I will leave a link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to register and then subscribe. This should be easier for you to come at any time and check for arbitrage opportunity. Their subscription is not expensive. So you can come and check out their subscription. I think they have one of $10 or $20 where you can subscribe and also enjoy the arbitrage opportunity that they have. So I would advise that you should go for something like this instead of taking your money to some sites that they will tell you they are doing arbitrage. Meanwhile, they are not doing arbitrage. For example, you have this IPC, you have COTP and all that. Those sites will take your money. So you can come to this site and register, subscribe. You don't need to put your money on this site. What you need to do is just to go and deal with the particular exchange that you are sure of. So you then trade on that particular exchange. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, or you reach out to me on Telegram. I'm going to leave a link for that. So here you have the apply where you have filter. You can filter a particular coin, an exchange, and so on and so forth. So it's a site that is easy to use. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. So please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, so that you'll be forced to be notified as soon as I drop new content. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.